There's a place on Earth less explored than the surface of Mars. It's completely dark. The pressure could crush a car like a soda can, and time down there barely seems to matter because almost nothing has changed here in millions of years. This is the ocean's midnight zone. The ocean has layers, just like the atmosphere. Sunlight reaches about 200 meters down. That's the sunlight zone, where almost all ocean life we know lives. Below that is the twilight zone, where light fades to nothing by around 1,000 meters. And below that is the midnight zone, permanent darkness, starting at 1,000 meters and going down as far as 4,000 meters before you even hit the deepest trenches.
At these depths, the water pressure is intense enough to instantly crush most submarines. For comparison, the pressure at 4,000 meters is like having the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing on a single point. And yet, things live there. Creatures in the midnight zone don't rely on sunlight at all. Many make their own light, a process called bioluminescence, to hunt, hide, or attract mates in total darkness. Some fish have evolved eyes so sensitive they can detect a single photon. Others have no eyes at all, because in a world with zero light, eyes are useless weight to carry. Here's the strange part. Because there's no sunlight, there are no seasons, no day-night cycle, and almost no temperature change. Some organisms down here are estimated to be hundreds of years old, barely changing, because everything happens in extreme slow motion when there's no light to drive the usual rhythms of life.
We've only explored a tiny fraction of this zone. Less than 5% of the entire ocean has been mapped in detail. We genuinely know the surface of the Moon and Mars better than we know our own ocean floor. And that raises the question, what else is still down there that we haven't found yet? If this blew your mind, subscribe. Every week we go somewhere on this planet that barely feels real. See you in the next one.